most favorite day because today is Sunday. Yeah guys, so now I wake up and I wake up at 9 o'clock. Guys, today I have no more any pressure of the online classes because you know for online classes I have to wake up at 6:30. That's very early, yeah, for me. So today I am wake up at 9 o'clock because today is Sunday and the most favorite day for me. Yeah guys, so okay, so here I wake up. So guys, let's see today that what we are doing in this Sunday special. Yeah guys, because in every Sunday we do something special. So yeah, in this Sunday also we are going to do more special. And yeah, let's see that what is happening to this Sunday. Boom! So guys, let's go and let's set these bed sheets and these sheets. So guys, firstly here I am setting up my sheet because it bursts at night when I sleep. So here I am folding up my sheet. So guys, now it's time to change our bed sheet because every Sunday I change my bed sheet. Oh, let's change it. So guys, you have to wait for a minute because I bring a new bed sheet for my room. Guys, now I have bring this bed sheet and you can see the color of this. It's very pretty. So firstly I changed this one. So here I have done, and here I choose the one bed sheet and one pillow cover for this. So now for that, firstly I have to remove the previous bed sheet. Okay, so for that, so guys, this is the flow. Now 3, 2, 1. So here it is gold. So guys, this bed sheet is changed. Now we change the second bed sheet. Now guys, let's change this bed sheet. Woo! So guys, here are 2 bed sheets are changed. So let's go for brushing.
So guys, now I have come in my freshing area and I do all that things that I have do in my daily routine, daily life. If you have don't seen, so please see here. The link is given in the description box. So here I am brushing my teeth free mindly because today is no more online classes, no studies at all. So here I am brushing my teeth. Then after brushing, I use this Listerine mouth freshener. It's very cool and I use this freshener daily so that my mouth get fresh.
Now guys, it's time for exercise, so let's do it. Guys, it's time for bathing. So yeah. So I have come from bathroom and I'm feeling very fresh. So let's go.
Now guys, after bathing, I go upstairs in my balcony and feel the nature and the wind. That's very cool and very nice. So guys, here I am come downstairs and then worship the gods of Radha Krishna. And then I touch the feet of the god. So guys, here as you can see that suddenly our weather changes because before some time I have seen that it is sunny, but now after some time it's very cloudy and very cool weather. So guys, here we are making our breakfast. So here we are first cutting our cucumber. Now guys, here we are cutting this tomato, and here we have peel of this outer cover. Now here we cut it. Now guys, here we are cutting onion, and here our ingredient is ready. Now we are taking this milk cream and adding salt and black pepper, that is kali mirch, and we mix well, and we put this milk cream into the bread. And now here we put all the vegetables into the bread, that is onion, cucumber and tomato. And now here we put the milk cream into the second bread and paste it together and cut it. And here we are garnishing the mango shake with Hershey's. So guys, now our homemade veg sandwich is ready.
One hour later.
Now guys, after 1 hour, here we are playing the carom, and with carom here we are also eating this bhel puri. Now guys, after playing carom, here we are cutting the fruits. So guys, here we give the shape of a mango so that it looks attractive. So guys, now finally our fruits are ready, that is mango and watermelon. So let's eat it. So guys, now it's 3 o'clock, and now here we eat these fruits because after that we have to go outside. So guys, as soon as possible we finish our fruits because we have to go outside.
Hey everyone! So आ गए हैं हम यहाँ पर एक नई लोकेशन पर, क्योंकि हमारे घर के पास में एक नया बहुत ही अच्छा बड़ी सा फॉरेस्ट था, तो फॉरेस्ट टाइप का है। तो हमने डिसाइड किया कि हम यहाँ पे घूमने आएंगे, क्योंकि ऑफकोर्स संडे है, घर में बैठे बैठे बहुत ज़्यादा बोर हो जाते हैं। तो हमने डिसाइड किया कि हम एक न्यू लोकेशन से आएंगे और यहाँ पे बहुत सारी मस्ती करेंगे। आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ एक बहुत ही अच्छा गार्डन भी है, और यहाँ देख सकते हैं आप कितने प्यारे प्यारे फ्लावर्स हैं, वहाँ आगे भी है बहुत ही प्रिटी। मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी लोकेशन, सो क्यूट फ्लावर्स एंड सो नाइस। तो ये है एंट्रेंस यहाँ का, यहाँ से हम आए थे ऐसा।
सो गाइस, यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ का व्यू कितना ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है, लाइक अ सीनरी।
A few moments later.
So guys, here as you can see that here we are picking up a black grapes. These are very tasty in taste also, and in back of my home there is a very big tree of black grapes, so we'll come daily on our terrace and pick up these black grapes. So guys, after picking up black grapes, here it is raining outside.
2 hours later.
So guys, now it's our dinner time, and every Sunday we cook paneer. And guys, you know very well that paneer is a very delicious and healthy food because it contains protein.
So guys, I come in my room, so at night while sleeping I play some games or I edit my videos, because that time I'm very bored. So yeah, I'm playing. So guys, I'm very tired while wearing the phone. So guys, sometimes it happens that I change my bed while sleeping at night because I am very bored to sleep in same bed only. So yeah, sometimes I change my bed and sometimes my night suit also change because it goes for washing. And guys, Sunday is a very special day for me because in Sunday we do so much of fun, so much of enjoy with our family, and we have no more work or online classes in Sunday. And it's a very special day and we always wait for Sunday in a week that jaldi se Sunday hai hamara. For that, that's very happy day. And yeah guys, that's all. And yeah, wait, if you don't have subscribed to my channel, so don't forget, subscribe it now and also like my video if you like it. And if my video is enjoyable, so please like it and also click the notification bell so you get notified every time. Yeah guys, that's all in today's video. Here my videos end. Yeah guys, we will meet soon again in another video. Till then, bye bye.